Right, a classic 80s film franchise is getting a modern makeover as a musical. Back to the Future is now playing at the Pantages Theater. KCAL's Marina Jerica takes us behind the curtain to show us this new take on Doc, Marty, and their time travel adventure.
If you could choose to go back in time any date you want, what would it be? As a meteorologist, this time machine would be pretty handy, but it's a good thing we already know how to forecast the weather. So let's go back in time, fire it up, and see where we go.
Great start!
What was it like for you all to bring this iconic movie on stage into a musical?
It always seemed to me that it was on the cusp of being a musical in the movie because it had the Huey Lewis songs, it has Johnny B. Good, and the emotions are so heightened in every scene is an emergency or a crisis of some kind. And
the characters are very larger than life, almost operatic.
Right. And when they're in that kind of situation, the character has to sing or the character has to dance in a musical, and so it's easy to get over that hump and do it.
So Bob, tell me a little bit about how you came up with the idea of Back to the Future.
The original idea for Back to the Future came because I discovered my father's high school yearbook in the basement of my parents' house in the summer of 1980. I'd never seen his yearbook before, and I said, oh, okay, this would be cool, because I went to the same high school my dad did. So I said, well, what did my high school look like in 1940? Well, lo and behold, my dad was a president of his graduating class. Now, I didn't get along at all with the president of my graduating class. So I thought, oh my God, was that the kind of guy my dad was? If I had gone to high school with my dad, would I have been friends with him? And that's when the proverbial bolt of lightning struck me in the head, and I said, there's a movie. A kid goes back in time and ends up in high school with his dad.
1955. You're my mom.
Bringing it to a whole new generation, do you feel like you're the keepers of this just amazing opportunity?
It's really special. I've talked to a lot of families after the show at the stage door, and parents will say we just showed them the movie for the first time last night, and it's really cool to be kind of the reason that this new generation is seeing this movie that I grew up with and I loved, and to be these kids Martys is a really special thing.
The musical works whether you've seen the movie or not.
Yeah.
You'll get certain things out of it that you wouldn't get if you hadn't seen the movie, but it doesn't matter.
If you want to see the musical live on stage, you've got until December 1st at the Pantages Theater, and then opening the day after Christmas at the Segerstrom Center in Costa Mesa. So let's time travel